The Rasul ﷺ said, if you could rely and trust in Allah in its absolute true meaning, He would provide you the way He provides the bird. It leaves in the morning empty stomach and returns in the evening with its stomach full. Again, I want you to be careful with this one. Some people say, just like He provides the bird, He'll provide me. But they miss one point about this hadith. Did the bird stay in its nest? Did the bird not fly? Did the bird not? What do you see the birds doing right in the morning? What did they do? They seek. They seek. They work. They do everything in their power. But they rely on Allah. Meaning they're not pessimistic. They don't give up.